to the next slide now. All right. So I would like both of our panelists to just introduce themselves, and how their journey has been so far, and what made them interested in today's webinar. Ask the attendees as well.
Hey, hi Dipti. Thank you for making me joining you in. My name is Dr. Seedat, and I am from Kashmir, as you already have introduced me so far. So I have been working on mental health since 2019 when COVID was in peak. And I
Mhm.
started it all with my people who were already in depression, especially with women's. And then it included children's as well. But I don't know why my work does recognition in children's actually.
Mhm.
Anyway, it's a pleasure for me. Then it all started when it was 2019 and it was completely locked down all around the world, and I was the one searching, suffering myself, and then I tried to heal. Being a medical student, I'm an MBBS doctor,
Mhm.
so I tried searching for people who would really make us feel that comfortable space, because we in this era are not we don't have that we don't stay in one place. We don't have that habitual things right away with us, that we don't stay at one place. We are bound to roam, to interact with people. And when suddenly that lockdown happened, and it just, I don't know why, it started triggering people started getting their issues. They started having that, they would highlight their things. Yeah, I'm having this issue, this is. Since then I have been working on this mental health.
It's been quite a while then.
Yeah, it has been 2001.
Mhm.
Not a really huge time, but yeah,
But
some
yeah.
time.
Hmm.
And then the reason, the main focus that I found in
Hmm.
women's was that they literally, the topic today was tracking towards the women's that I had been dealing with
Mhm.
2019. It was literally that women's, once they get married,
Mhm.
they just leave their entire life aside.
I
They
see.
leave their own, they don't know how to self love themselves. They don't have anything with them. They just live for people, they just live for the family. They just work, I don't know what to name them. They just keep working, we keep working, and they don't have any, they don't just they don't have their own life. So that was the reason, when this topic struck, and I was like, yeah, I need to speak about this, I need to elaborate, I need to highlight this point. Yeah, women's lack this, women's, literally pointing particularly women's for this. Yeah, that was the real reason of joining.
That was
Yeah,
really wonderful to know, Dr. Seerath. I would
thank you.
like to ask Dr. Shruti now for her introduction, please. You're not audible. You're still on mute. You're on mute, ma'am. Am I audible to you? हाँ
Okay.
जी, हाँ जी, अब ठीक है.
Now
Yeah.
is it okay? Yeah.
जी. Hmm.
So hi everyone. Welcome you all. As you have shown the interest, this is Shruti Parikh here. I am a clinical psychologist from Ahmedabad, Gujarat, and I have been into this profession since 15 years. I worked with very top MNCs like Vodafone, UTI, and all you can name it as an HR head. And during that time, I was also handling all my employees to the psychological counseling. I'm a psychologist from the NHCA Singapore, and I also did my degrees from COE UK. And yes, as Dr. Seerath said, that since 2019, the mental health took a different turn itself for every one of us. But when I was working as an HR head, during that time, I used to find one thing very surprising, that every time we ask our employees, keep your professional and personal life separate, it can never happen. The
Hmm.
mind is one. And then when I used to see my employees struggling, how to balance between personal life, professional life, their own self esteems, their own self worth, self love,
Hmm.
be it male or a female, everyone was struggling
Hmm.
into anything. So then I just thought that mental health is about many things in life,
Hmm.
but the major axis is self worth, the self love. And the definition which the West is presenting to us about the self love is not at all correct. Is not at
Mm.
all correct. That's what I'm saying. Not even 99%.
Mm.
100% it is false depiction of self-worth or self-love. So
Mm.
today, when I coordinated with Deepti and Deepti took this topic for the webinar, I was very, very much interested to
Mhm.
guide those people who literally shown interest in this webinar. And I can assure you that by God's grace and by my abilities, and everyone over here as a panelist with their abilities, you people will definitely find a solution. And my acumen has always been not to provide the bookish knowledge to anybody,
Mm.
but the real life practical solutions. So you people are quite open. You can ask any question related to your mental health
Mm.
till age which you are not able to find the practical solution. So welcome you all over here.
That was wonderful, Dr. Shruti. Thank you so much. With this, I think we should move on to the housekeeping tips. We have a few, suggestions for all the people who have joined today. In case you guys have any questions, there are two options that you can ask your questions. Either you can use raise your hand feature, or you can simply um, use the chat box and give the questions us over there, right? Kindly make sure that your connection is stable. All right, before we move ahead, let me introduce you all to Positivity as well, the organizer of this webinar. We've been associated with the Positivity for quite a while now. It's based out of Singapore, and it's committed to generating awareness and making mental health services accessible to people who are not, very easily able to get it. Especially when it comes in the Indian context, people hesitate when it comes to approaching psychologists or psychiatrists. And to make it easily accessible, we have launched a online platform where this therapists and the people who need help, they can come up and they can meet and they can find solutions to have a better mental life together, right? So that is about Positivity, and we'll move on to the next slide now. I've already given you the pointers on the housekeeping tips. Then we can move on to the agenda. Today, we will be having a full-fledged conversation about what self-love is, what are the different aspects of self-worth, what is the difference between self-love and self-worth and self-esteem, and what is the current picture of self-love that people have in their minds right now, what it actually means, and how much it affects us. These are very important topics that affect all of us every day. It's it's a big topic. That is why we decided that we should take this up. All right. I would like to ask a question to all of the attendees here with me today. What got you all interested in today's session? There is a poll that I have for you guys. You are supposed to click to one answer that you are, agreeing with. It will be on your screens, and I want you all to answer. As you can see, there are four options over there. It's common to have mental health problems in the urban areas more than the suburban areas because of the difference in the lifestyle that we face nowadays, and it's becoming a problem especially after COVID. And that is why mental health now it's increasing, like the awareness is increasing on a very great scale. I have the results already. Okay. So, ma'am, Dr. Seerath, Dr. Shruti, I think you're able to see the results as well, right?
Yeah.
People are there who have struggled with self-esteem. I would like to know, like, how does it happen? People struggle with self-esteem. We live here. What goes wrong that this happens? Dr. Shruti.
Yeah. See, basically, when people are asked about this question, a very a glitch statement comes that it starts with childhood.
Hmm.
Okay. But when we say that it starts with childhood, nobody defines the age.
Hmm.
Actually, it does not start in the childhood. it starts after 7 years.
Okay.
Okay. Till 7 years, the kid whom we are seeing as a kid is not a kid. It is the most sensible adult we can have on earth. Okay. Because that kid is learning everything subconsciously.
Mm-hmm.
And at that time, that kid is not bothered. But after 7 years, there is a very major neurological change in pattern take place,
Mm-hmm.
which tries absorbing everything which is related to self. Because after 7 years of age, the self becomes strong. Okay, the self becomes strong.
Mm-hmm.
So now, when all these things starts at this point of time, and it goes from 7 to 18 years, to be little specific. And that point of time when everything is becoming about self. So at that point of time, क्या होता है कि can we use both languages or we are just particular?
Of course, of
Yeah.
course.
Okay. So the thing is कि क्या होता है कि जब हम सेल्फ में ज्यादा कॉन्सेंट्रेट करते हैं तो हमें ये होता है कि हमें अपने को सबसे ज्यादा इंपॉर्टेंस देनी है.
Hmm.
लेकिन वो इंपॉर्टेंस हम क्या करते हैं, जो हम एक पैटर्न्स देखते हैं सोसाइटी में, जो हम एक पैटर्न्स देखते हैं अपने स्कूल्स में, जो हम एक पैटर्न्स देखते हैं लास्ट में अपने घर में. क्योंकि
Hmm.
घर में सब बच्चों को एक बेसिक लेवल पे प्यार मिलता है,
Hmm.
राइट? वो सब हम बाद में बात करेंगे, सिबलिंग जेलसी एंड कंपैरिजन, दैट इज अ डिफरेंट टॉपिक. लेकिन एक बेसिक लेवल पे एवरीबॉडी गेट्स लव.
Hmm.
बात होती है सोसाइटी की, बात होती है हमारे स्कूल्स की. हमें शुरू से ये सिखाया जाता है, इफ यू गेट दिस मच ऑफ मार्क्स
Hmm.
then you are important.
Hmm.
Okay, if you are having this kind of haircut, then you are
Hmm.
only going to look nice. If you are into certain body type, then only it. The nagging, the bullying, everything starts.
Hmm.
तो क्या होता है कि हमें कभी भी घर पे बहुत सारा प्यार तो दिया जाता है इन इंडियन सिस्टम्स,
Hmm.
लेकिन हमें ये नहीं बताया जाता कि व्हाट इज एक्चुअली नेसेसरी फॉर अस.
Hmm.
कि
Right.
बाहर से कुछ भी बोले, हमारा सेल्फ लव स्ट्रांग होना चाहिए.
The
सेल्फ
sense of
लव
identity.
एक्चुअली में क्या है?
Hmm.
मतलब बहुत ही सिंपल चीज है कि हम करेंटली जैसे भी हैं, हम अपने को बहुत प्यार से, बहुत काइंडली एक्सेप्ट करें. और अगर हमें अपने इंट्रोस्पेक्शन करने पे खुद, अगर इफ वी फाइंड दैट देयर इज सम फ्लॉ इन मी
Hmm.
which is affecting my life, then
Hmm.
we are ready to take major steps to change it.
Hmm.
Not because somebody else is not liking it. So it
Hmm.
is like, कि, okay, if I am liking my body, it's okay. But if I am finding that fat is not healthy for me, I introspected on my own.
Hmm.
And then I am like, yeah, I will make certain changes in my body. But
Hmm.
not because कि like now the society is just accepting this kind of body and I should be looking good when I wear something. Because
Hmm.
you are trying to look good to wear something, that is
Hmm.
okay. But
Hmm.
it is coming from where? If you are doing it for yourself, it is
Hmm.
self-love. If you are doing it for others, it is
Hmm.
not. And a very beautiful example that nowadays you will find on mobile many apps which can
Hmm.
edit your face, which can edit
Hmm.
your body.
Hmm.
So the moment you click your pic and the moment you go to edit, itself it shows that you are not loving yourself.
Yes. Very
You
true.
are not loving yourself. You are not liking your face and body. How
And
you
that's why
can
you change
expect
it.
anybody to like you?
Hmm.
Because
Hmm.
this is all a game of energy, the psychological energy.
Hmm.
जैसे हम खुद को व्यू करते हैं वैसे ही अपने आप सामने वाला हमें व्यू करता है.
Hmm.
And traveling to abroad has given me a very good example of the, I will basically say, the African men and women.
Okay.
If you see, as per the parameters of society, they lack in color, face color,
Yeah.
they lack in the perfect bodies.
Hmm.
But the level of confidence they hold, the level of self-love they have.
Hmm.
And every time I used to meet some African, I was like, this is what we call self-love. No validation from outside. You know, they love their color, they love their body, they love their hairstyles, no matter how bulky they are.
Hmm.
So this is self-love. The moment you go to edit option, it is especially for today's Gen Z. The moment you go to edit option, you itself are rejecting yourself.
Hmm.
And that
still,
edit
this
is required in
shift
the
goes
real
on.
life.
Still, this shift is continuing even after people have seen the detrimental effects of what this does mentally
Yeah.
to people. Even then,
Yeah.
still somehow the passion to get the validation from outside. It still
Right?
is heavier.
Because this is why this is happening. If people will understand, they can easily solve it. See, our brain is 10,000-year-old brain, as per
Mhm.
the psychology. It was meant, we were the social animals. It was
Right.
meant to get validation from others.
Right.
Otherwise, they used to discard people from the pack,
Mhm. Right. Right.
right?
Hmm.
अभी क्या होता है कि वो टिल डेट हमको वो पैक की आदत पड़ गई है,
Hmm.
यू नो, कि
Yeah.
समाज हमको निकालना नहीं चाहिए, वो दिमाग
Mhm.
में दूसरे तरीके से आ रहा है.
Mm-hmm.
People should value me, people should validate me. So everything when we start doing for others, it is
Mhm.
not self-love. And that is the difference between self-love and self-esteem.
Mhm.
Self-esteem is majorly influenced by the external factors, but self-love is an intrinsic thing. So if I like
Mhm.
myself, it
Mhm.
doesn't mean that you don't look good. You should look
Mhm.
good, but it
Mhm.
should come back. I want to feel and look good.
Mhm.
So instead of doing the easy edits, let me do the
Mhm.
edits in my real life.
Mhm.
Okay, I want to look slim. Let me
Mhm.
join something.
Mhm.
I want to look fair. Let me start eating those fruits. Let me start taking
Mhm.
eating healthy, which can make me look
Mhm.
fair. Okay, glowy. But it is not like that Insta पे गए हमने उसको आगे scroll कर दिया, filters लगा दिया. That's it. No.
Mhm. I
It
get
means you
you.
are rejecting yourself. You know,
Mhm.
this is the self-love, a very small definition of self-love.
And ma'am, I have a question here. Like, in case you're having this idea that, I have to take care of my body, I have to take care of my brain to be healthy, it often involves a certain amount of discipline. And that is going to be difficult. And when that comes up, देन सेल्फ लव है तो अपने साथ आराम से रहना चाहिए मुझे, या डिसिप्लिन दैट इज डिफिकल्ट, देन देयर इज अ डिस्पैरिटी, पीपल गेट कंफ्यूज्ड अगेन. They think that the easy choices, they are the ones, they will be showing themselves self-love if they choose the easier ones.
I think you have put up a very good point because this is a very common question everyone has कि सेल्फ लव का मीनिंग फिर ऐसा नहीं हो जाए कि हम अपने में इतने कंफर्टेबल हो जाएं कि
Yeah.
हम कुछ अपने लिए कर ही नहीं रहे. अगेन एक पॉइंट आता है एज अ साइकोलॉजिस्ट, अगर आप अपने में जैसे भी हो, फिर आप obese हो, your skin has gone just way out, your hairs are falling, you are not doing anything in life, you are not earning nothing, you are very comfortable just binge watching and just having junk food. Internally, if you are not getting frustrated by any of the factors, that your family is scolding you, you are seeing daily yourself in the mirror, you are not getting frustrated. If somebody is making remarks at you, you are not getting frustrated. Can go to that extent and destroy your life. But the major factor still remains, are you happy from the inside when you are not taking care of
Care of
yourself?
yourself, exactly.
So many of my clients come and they say that, Shruti, discipline is very tough. So then I say that, yeah, discipline is going to tough. It requires pain. But then there is one of the pain you have to select. Either daily getting the pain of getting frustrated or daily choosing yourself daily. Daily. So then they will be like, yeah, then we can choose that, the plane of, that discipline. So the only thing is that how we tell others, how we make them explain is a major factor. Everybody knows the solution. Everything is on the Google. But
Yes.
how effectively you brainwash people so that they can be more disciplined toward their life. Like, okay, if my hair is curly, they are curly because right now I'm not having enough proteins. So when I'm getting ready, it shouldn't frustrate me. This is self-love. It is like if I'm telling every other people, I to love myself. I am not bothered. I am telling to outside people when they will ask me, ki, what about your hairs? They are not looking good. And I'll be like, no, no, yaar, I'm not bothered. It's okay. Like, I love myself. But the moment I enter home, I'm like standing in front of the mirror and I'm like, yaar, these are looking so bad. And this and that. And I'm getting frustrated and throwing my frustrations on my family members, friends, or boyfriend, girlfriend, or partner. Then it is not self-love. Then you are living the dual personality. You are
Yes.
showing that you are very confident in the outside world, but you are not. And then when people say that, I to look confident, everybody says I'm confident, but people really in the room can make out from your persona,
Mm.
that auric field that you are not
Mm.
confident. Because
Very good.
actually, people don't understand. Our aura matters a lot.
Mm.
What we do on a daily basis when we are in private
Mm.
builds up our aura, not when we step outside.
Mm.
So if you start maintaining yourself in the private,
Mm.
like, have you ever seen that if you start reading books in the private,
Mm.
nobody knows it.
Mm.
But the moment you will step out after 2 months and you
That's
are
true.
reading on a daily basis,
Mm.
people will be like, have you started reading something?
Mm. It shows.
You are looking more learned.
Mm.
So it is not about when you are going in the outside world and you are reading for 2 hours.
Mm.
What you do on a daily basis when nobody is around builds your aura.
Mm.
And people don't understand this thing.
Mm.
The moment you decide that, okay, abhi mujhe kisi ko jawab nahi dena hai, you become silent. Then what happens? किसी को आपने बताया नहीं है कि आपने जवाब देना बंद कर दिया है, लेकिन आप 1 महीने तक वो प्रैक्टिस को कंटिन्यू करोगे एंड देन यू स्टेप आउटसाइड वर्ल्ड एंड people will be like, I think she has become more mature.
Yes, yes, definitely. That changes your aura. The shift is visible
The
externally.
shift.
Yeah. That was a very good explanation, ma'am. Like I think that was the most thorough explanation I've ever got on this concept.
Thank you so much.
Now moving on to the next question here. Okay, I have a question here for you. Just one question. Would you define aura and energy differently? This is the question. Okay. All right. How do we define aura and how do we define energy, and what is the difference between aura, energy, and vibration, and how does it relate to our concept of self-love? Maybe that is the reason they've asked this question.
So this is a question from the people
Audience,
who
yeah.
joined us?
Ji.
Okay. So I would also like to know the names of the people who have shown the interest to us.
The question here is from Mr. Ansh.
Ansh. Okay. So what Ansh is doing, you can keep yourself on unmute.
I think that he's going to get the permission to, speak up.
No problem. So see, yes, aura is a very different thing. It's entirely different from the energy and vibration. But yes, when taken in a collective sense, they all are interrelated. Aura, as I told you, is a field which we develop when we do continuously some things in private. Okay, like I will give you a very good example because it is something rotating around the Valentine's Day. So, have you seen the authentic lovers? Their authenticity is in their mind. They are practicing it daily. So, the moment anybody meets them, the person will want to connect with them. How you can feel that?
The warmth.
And how a playboy can be felt, or a playgirl also in today's world. So these things are aura is whatever you do on a more continuous basis when you are alone, whatever you feel about yourself, whatever you do for yourself, when nobody is there on a daily basis. Nobody, when I say, it doesn't mean that your family members are not going to be there. It means that anybody's presence is not affecting it. Okay. So in that sense, कि अगर आप कोई overthinker है, like I will give my example. I have been a very chronic overthinker for ages. So whenever I used to step outside, and जब कोई मुझे stranger मिलता था, when I used to go to the conferences and all, and I'm talking about 10 years ago at least, and then they will say, आप सोचती बहुत हो क्या? Okay. And when I used to get these kind of questions, I started researching on this. That how can somebody make out when they have still not spoken to me? They still did not talk to me. And then when I was reading in one of the libraries of Scotland, because I have a very much passion of whenever I visit any country, I straight away go to the library in next 2-3 days. Like what the people over there have as a thought process, what they have written and all. Or even in the India, if I'm traveling to any state, I will go to the library.
Mhm.
So there, one of the authors mentioned that what you do on a daily basis, what you feel on a daily basis builds your aura.
Mhm.
And I think Dr. Seerat must be very much accompanied with this term, the Kabbalah. That is a very good science in Mohammedan culture. They talk a lot, it gives you a way of life. So there also they say and talk about this thing that aura is what you build. So
Mhm.
whenever I used to step outside, it was like कि आप सोचती बहुत हो क्या? Because yes, I used to overthink for 2 to 3 hours in the night.
Mhm.
So that was building my aura as a overthinker.
Mhm.
Because that was the only thing which I was giving much time ahead of every. So the majorly what you do in your free hours defines your aura.
Mhm.
जैसे आपने देखा होगा कि जैसे फिल्म स्टार्स वगैरह हैं, ये हर समय अप टू डेट रहते हैं, अप टू डेट. Though because their profession is based on outside validation,
Exactly.
right?
Mhm.
So they are like कि, I have to be updated anytime they can click us and all.
Mhm.
That is the reason आप हर समय they are celebrating themselves and that's why they are called celebrity.
Mhm.
Okay, even if they want, even if they don't want, even if they are in good mood, bad mood, but they are celebrating themselves.
That's a profession.
That's a profession and that's why they are called celebrity. Otherwise, from where did this term came?
Exactly. That was a very, very nice explanation, ma'am. Really, really, thank you so much. I have another question here, and I would like to ask Dr. Seerat. I hope she's able to hear me. Dr. Seerat, am I audible to you? I think there is maybe some network issue. कोई बात नहीं. We'll continue with the discussion.
I think
Here,
I'm not able to see Dr. Seerath here.
okay.
I
Maybe
think
then,
due to some technical issue, I
हाँ,
think she's out.
it's possible. It's possible. Maybe it's the network. Okay. Anyway, we'll wait till the time she gets back to us. एक question है यहाँ पे. How is our self-worth related to how we interact with the outside world? Because how we look at ourselves, definitely it must be having some effect on how we look at other people, right? So how does that dynamic work?
See, first of all, you need to understand that what is self-worth? Self-worth is not ego.
Hmm.
Nowadays, people are confusing it with ego. So I'll give you a very good example in Indian societies, at least, that you must have seen the son-in-laws if we go back to the 40 years back, not today. But 40 years back, any men who used to become son-in-law, so you must have seen a very typical behavior that they will not talk much, they will not laugh much, and every time they are visiting their in-laws' place, they will be like कि they should get presented with everything the best possible. What was that? That was lack of self-worth.
Not
In
getting
today's
that from
generation,
anyone else.
guys are like, कि I know how valuable I am. Like, so they are behaving so nicely with in-laws and all, very loving. They will do household chores also, everything, because they have self-worth. Okay. So this is how self-worth, in a very minute example, I've told you that this is how self-worth affects our relationship, that how we interact with people.
How it manifests.
Okay. So like now I will give you a general example that nowadays, now see how West has influenced us. West has given us many good things also. Okay. The deep study on mental health. But
Yes.
they have tried to mold everything so that their products can be sold out in the market. Okay. So now this thing like I did like this. Okay. Now this is like because I was feeling the itch.
Right.
And now West has given us that you should not do.
Do that. You should not do that.
You
Exactly.
should not do. Why? Because it doesn't look nice. So they presented us with that being real and authentic is not something good. Okay. It can be at some places. Okay. But the thing is, now they said ki if during conversation anybody is touching their nose, they are telling a lie.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. But they never told us that how they are touching their nose.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
And now with everybody will be like, you to must be telling a lie only.
If you have done that.
Right?
Exactly.
Because we are not reading texts. We are just relying totally on the knowledge which is on the social platforms.
Pseudo, everything. Most of the
Everything.
stuff.
Because we
Hmm.
don't want to take efforts.
Exactly.
And that is why I think in our very first discussion, I told you that why no matter how good certificates are or from where they are getting the certification, people don't look gravitized. If
Yes.
you will tell from somebody that, if you will tell somebody that I'm from here, I am from here. Previously, when somebody used to say that I'm from Oxford, I'm an Oxford graduate. You can make it out from the personality of a person before even they speak that they are from some good learned institution. In today's world, even if like I personally visited IIMs and that is a temple to me being an MBA student, but it was like when I used to see them that we are participating in functions and this and that, they are carrying their books and they are just going away, not concerned. But when I asked for some help, they just came all the way for 1 hour and they helped me out during that lecture. And that what make the people gravitized. You know, this is what reality is, authenticity is. So self-worth, because their self-worth is like on the peak. So the way they interact with people, and I'll give you a very good example of Ratan Tata. The highest example of a person who was having the highest form of self-worth. No validation required, nothing required. And I always give these two examples, and people are like, you give very direct example. I'm like, because everybody can relate to. Now, if you come to Neeta Ambani, excessive lack of self-worth, even being the wife of a millionaire. Excessive lack of self-worth. That's why you need so much.
I understand.
So it does not mean that there is no need to be rich or something. Be luxurious, rich, but you have to have self-worth. Then only it will make sense. Otherwise, it won't make sense. People can make it out immediately. So yes, self-worth 90 नहीं 100% affects your relationship. अगर आप अपने जैसे आप किसी दिन अच्छा मुझे बताना, आप सब लोग यहाँ पे रिलेट करेंगे जिस दिन आप अच्छे नहीं लगते हो अपने हिसाब से, जैसे आपको लगता है कि वो बालों में ऑयलिंग है या मैंने कपड़े अच्छे नहीं पहने हैं या आज शेविंग नहीं करी है और आप घर से बाहर निकल रहे हो, आपको ऐसा क्यों लगता है कि सब आपको ही देख रहे हैं? स्ट्रेंजर्स को भी आपको लगता है कि ये मुझे देख रहा है, अच्छे नहीं लग रहे हैं उसको, यार मैं क्यों ही निकल आया या निकल आई। उनको तो पता भी नहीं है कि आपका बेस्ट वर्जन क्या था, कि आप शेविंग करके कैसे लगते हो या आपके हेयर कैसे लगते हैं या आपने घर के कपड़े पहने हैं कि बाहर के पहने हैं। सो द थिंग इज, फिर क्या होगा, क्योंकि आप अपने में कॉन्फिडेंट फील नहीं कर रहे हो, तो क्या होगा कि अगर बाई चांस उस पर्टिकुलर डे पे आप किसी शॉप में गए और शॉप वाले ने आपसे थोड़ा खराब तरीके से बात करी कि चलो इधर हटो, अभी दे रहे हैं ना, इधर हटो, तो एकदम से आप फाइट करोगे। क्यों करोगे?
कंफर्मेशन बायस।
क्योंकि आपको ये लगेगा कि ये मुझे लाइटली ले रहा है, इसने मुझे कैसे लाइटली लिया। ये बहुत सारे आपको एग्जांपल्स मिलेंगे जब आप स्ट्रीट पे वॉच करो।
जी, राइट।
ठीक है, लेकिन जिस दिन आप बहुत अच्छे लग रहे हो अपने हिसाब से, दूसरे के हिसाब से तो कुछ है ही नहीं, बट आप अपने हिसाब से बहुत अच्छे लग रहे हो, इसलिए कहा जाता है ड्रेस नाइसली फॉर योरसेल्फ, नॉट फॉर अदर्स। तो अगर आप अपने हिसाब से अच्छे लग रहे हो तो क्या होगा कि अगर किसी ने कोई आपको कुछ उल्टा बोल के गया तो आपके मन में 2 थॉट्स आएंगे कि अरे लेट्स लीव इट यार, मतलब आई एम इन अ वेरी गुड मूड। और सेकंड आपको थॉट क्या आएगा? सेकंड आपको थॉट ये आएगा कि maybe because I'm looking so good, a person can't digest, so that's why they're just trying to spoil my day. It's okay, like, but I am very happy. That's why self-worth is directly linked how you conversate with others, connect with others, and how your relationships are going to be with others.
Everywhere.
Everywhere.
That's a very, very strong point then. how it impacts not only how we view us, it
Yeah.
impacts how we interact with our family, with our loved ones, with people outside general, everywhere, right?
Everyone.
And
Everyone.
yet the idea of what self-worth is, the wrong ideas are being propagated. So
Wrong.
what is the right way? What is the right way to develop self-love? Or what is the right way to develop self-worth?
Yeah. See, there is a very minute line between self-worth, self-esteem, and self-love. Self-esteem is basically influenced by the external factors more. And self-love and self-worth, when we say.
Hmm.
So, West is propagating the idea that treat yourself to coffee, go outside, invest on our coffee shops, so that we can make a lot of money. Okay.
Hmm.
That is not self-love. Self-love is never about spending extravagantly, not at all. Self-love is something that I am prioritizing myself. I am keeping myself happy before I can keep others happy. That is self-worth. और हम लोगों की जो mothers का time था, I think the only goddess mothers was that last generation. Okay. So, and I think we are lucky to have those mothers who sacrificed their life and compromised on each and everything and were ready to help anybody and everybody. But what they did, they put themselves last.
Last, yeah.
And that's the reason that now when they are aging, they are falling sick. Okay? Because they are the stored emotions inside the body and the mind. And that is the reason in some families you have seen that the mother who used to be very suppressive, kind, and humble, after 55 or 60 years of age, they are very much able to dominate the fathers now.
Yeah.
Because somewhere fathers know that we were wrong.
Yeah.
Okay. And that's why they are not reacting anymore. They are being more loving and they are being more dominating. Okay. So ऐसा नहीं था, उनके अंदर self worth बहुत थी. सेल्फ वर्थ बहुत थी ना. ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड. तो उनको किसी के वैलिडेशन की जरूरत नहीं थी. They not even used to get dress up. They used to be dressing up very simply and very nicely, and they used to go to any party and attend. We तो can't even think also, right? कि मम्मी आप कैसे चले जाते हो ऐसे, हम लोग तो जा ही नहीं सकते. Because they were having self worth. Understand this. They were not having self love. बीमार भी पड़े हैं, किसी नेबर ने आके कह दिया आप मेरी हेल्प करा लेंगे क्या, मेरे घर में आज ऐसा है, चले जाएंगे वो. They used to go, they used to help. अरे you take care of your body, you are not well, you are ill. They used to drag themselves. Lack of self-love. But able to present themselves in the party with the simplistic and minimalistic outfit, that is the self-worth.
That is
So
self-worth.
last generation self-worth was very high.
Very high.
Very high. Self-love was very low. Very low. Okay. And I can vouch on this that no other platform or no other, very few speakers I've came across on psychology are able to give you these practical exposures. Otherwise not. And during my studies, I always, whenever I used to study HR or psychology, I was like, my legacy is going to be, it will not come from the repetitive statements of book. The knowledge will come from the book, the experiences will be the practical ones.
Yes.
So that the generation can relate. If I will also talk what is written in the book and what is presented on everywhere, few minutes you will see that the speakers will, the members will leave. Why they will take interest? Okay. So self-worth was very high in the last generation. They can move any outwhere with that scooter. We need big cars.
We need cars, right?
We need big cars. And we need big bungalows and we need big flats and we need big addresses. नहीं, हमारा वहां पे गाजियाबाद नहीं लिखना चाहिए. Okay. It should be South X. Okay. It should be South Bombay. It should not be Lund. Okay. Lack of help.
Very true. The distinction was very clear, very, very clear, crystal clear. That was an amazing answer, ma'am. Thank you so much. I think Dr. Seerath is back with us.
Yeah,
Dr.
Dr.
Seerath, can
Seerath is back. Yeah, I think we should ask her to speak now.
yeah, I would definitely. I have a question for you.
Hi.
Okay. So the question is, how does low self-worth impact our relationships, especially the intimate ones with our partners?
Okay, this is a question to me or Dr. Seerath?
I am putting this question to Dr. Seerath.
Yeah.
Hi, can you please repeat the question? I was just turning on my camera and setting my things up. Can you please repeat the
No
question?
worries. Yeah, definitely. My question is, how does low self-worth affect
Mhm.
your most intimate relationships, not just with your parents, also with your spouse?
All right. See, I think I think the 90, and I would rather label it 100%, has already been discussed by the doctor.
Yeah.
She's already like covered everything, every corner of the room is already covered.
Mhm.
So just taking up the glimpse and talking about the glimpse of it is like the self-worth, what ma'am has already discussed, that it is something that it's inner thing that comes in you, you know. The only thing that I think is, if a person who's not comfortable within, he or she can have no relation good with others. You know, अगर आप अंदर से खुश नहीं हो, अगर आपको खुद में satisfaction नहीं है that हाँ मैं ये कर सकती हूँ या कर सकता हूँ, तो वो सामने वाले बंदे के साथ मतलब एक connection नहीं जमा पाता, because he's her or himself very confused with the life.
Mhm.
Self worth जब तक आपको ये नहीं पता हो, for example I get you in a situation जहाँ आपको exam है, if your mind ability is like that कि आपका एग्जाम मैं कल रख रही हूँ एंड मैं आपको बोल रही हूँ किसी आपको ये एग्जाम बहुत अच्छे से आएगा, एंड आई एम putting you those thoughts, and you like you if you take them and if you have that कि हाँ यार हो जाएगा मेरे से,
Mhm.
then you can do it even if you don't know many of the things. हो जाता है. If I tell you in a situation कि no, you know, it's something that tomorrow is your exam and you're not prepared, and मुझे भी कहीं ना कहीं ये लगे कि मैं तो प्रिपेयर नहीं हूँ, एग्जाम कल है और मैं प्रिपेयर नहीं हूँ, आपका परफॉर्मेंस ऑटोमेटिकली लो हो जाता है. So same applies with the spouse relationship. You know, it's not only about mentally being active, you have to be emotionally very active. But once you are low at your self-worth, you feel disconnected to the world. आपको नहीं लगेगा कि मैं किसी चीज में अच्छा हूँ. Not being physically intimate, not being mentally available, not being anything. Like you're just distorted all around. This is how it would affect.
That was very clear, and thank you so much
That
for
was
the answer,
very
ma'am.
good. That was very good. Thank you, Dr. Seerath. That was a very good point.
Thank you, ma'am.
Very, very nice, because that is what is happening in today's generation, that they are getting isolated day by day.
Yeah. You know, ma'am, I wanted to discuss this thing that while I was treating these parents, like I would rather name them parents. I was treating parents actually rather than children's. When these children would come to me, na, मतलब उनका क्या होता था? They used to isolate. Right now, the word you literally put the point on. अभी क्या हो रहा था during COVID? Many of the children would come and मुझे बोला जाता था ये तो रूम से बाहर नहीं निकलता, इसको कोविड के बाद फोन पे ही लगा रहता है. And I closely studied one thing in our Indian, you know, these Indian parents, what they do is, I just went through an advertisement or some reel came across my phone and I just read this. एक चीज मुझे बहुत strike हुई, you know, these Indian parents, we actually need to we actually need to educate them about how you have to do parenting right way. You know,
Yes,
इनका
yes.
क्या होता है, they have made कि बच्चे को लाओ सबके सामने, if you have a party at your home, उसको सबके सामने लाओ और डांस कराओ, and if that child won't do that, तो उसको फिर कोसते रहो, you are
Yes.
not worth it, तुमने सबके सामने मेरी नाक कटा दी, you didn't come, you didn't
Mm.
pay, you didn't greet people, तुम आए नहीं. उस चीज से उसका जो वो कॉन्फिडेंस लेवल होता है वो ऑटोमेटिकली वो round the years कम होता है. And now the generation has come up, 14-16 years के बच्चे, they are anti-social in the world of
Right.
their phones, because they have, अब तो वो मतलब पेरेंट्स भी एक्सेप्ट करना शुरू कर दिए कि हाँ अब तो ये फोन के साथ ही होता है, अब क्या ही कर सकते, छोड़ दो. So
छोड़
this has been there. I wanted to address
Right.
this thing as well, that if another or anywhere the seminar happens, please do involve parents in the seminar, because they
Yeah.
really need to this help.
Yeah, I
People
think Dr.
have
Seerath
that.
has really given a very good point for the next webinar, that we can promote in those places where parents can be targeted.
Yeah,
Because
yeah,
that
they.
is एक बार पेरेंट्स को हमने समझा दिया.
Hmm.
So I think the purpose of our company and organization, तो वो आधा तो 50% that mental health issue will go away.
हाँ, true,
Very
very
true.
Very
Yeah.
true.
Because I think I'm not able to recollect the name of a book. I'll just share with you, Dr. Seerath. It is very good because you are majorly looking towards the kids and childs. How to do parenting from 2 to 7 years.
Yeah, that's needed book. I swear it's so much needed.
Okay, so that is a very good book, and I think in West everyone follows that book initially for 2 to 7 years.
That's great.
So yeah, so I will just share the link with you. Deepti will give it to you because you are doing a great thing, because dealing with in these issues with kids, it is really challenging.
Because kids don't know that they are sufferers. They don't know.
Yeah,
So parents are the ones who come and blame their kids कि ये हो गया, ये कर रहा है, वो कर रहा है, वो कर रहा है. And the kid is like listening and getting into those negative thoughts. हाँ ठीक है, ये गलत है, मैं ऐसा गलत हूँ. Then he doesn't like he just keeps on suffering. I feel bad for
keep on suffering. Yeah, and feel bad. Yeah. Yeah. So I think this one of the example was there. The one of my clients, she was an advocate, and the kid, that kid was not able to interact with anybody and anyone in the family or school, and the life was getting pathetic. And then he asked me, the kid requires some animal, to express herself. So they were like, we can't bring animals in our home. Any specific reason. So it is like, we can't take the responsibility, and, it is going to be messy and all. So that moment I told my client, हमने कहा, the mental health of a child is more important, or your home is going to be a mess.
True.
Are you ready to bring your child for the next 10 years in my clinic?
True.
Okay. हमने कहा, the expressions were blocked. And हमने कहा, they can only come out through any pet. And the moment they got pet, I think within 6 or 7 months, the child became so expressive and everything, and no mobile usage, nothing, no screen time.
Oh, that's so great.
Yeah. So that is how things has to be. Parents are not ready to understand. They want their own way, which they have designed, and they want to fit it into.
Yeah, like that. Our mothers used to tell us at our times that there was a time when our mother used to hit us with the stick if we would do anything wrong.
Yeah.
So the same thing with those children. Today, the generation has already changed. Like earlier, it was like teachers would come with the stick and hit those children if they won't have learned anything.
Right.
But today, it's like prohibited. I would rather name that.
And actually, we don't understand the holistic thing, We don't understand that previously the punishments jo hote the, they were all scientific.
Exactly.
When we used to turn, the ear lobe, the lymphatic system used to get activated, the brain nerve used to get activated, and people were feeling more fresh to study again. But we can't slap them.
Yeah.
So it is like
That was a
So
lot
switch
of
over to
knowledge
Deepti.
at once. So much of new information. I had no idea about the earlobe thing. Literally, I never heard about it, but that was so interesting. I think it's going to be really good if we have another webinar and we can include a lot of parents. That's going to go really well because see, the shift is already there. A lot of parents have seen, they have started to understand that there are some problems that, already exist and they're trying to correct them. But somebody has to be there to tell them कि सही क्या है, because nobody knows, है ना? तो that was a very good anecdote. इस पे now I would like to ask our audience, question answers का time है. आप लोगों के पास अगर कोई question है, anybody wants to ask any question, please either you can raise your hand or you can drop it in the text box. And I think even you guys will be able to see the questions in case we get a question over here. Okay. I got one question, and the question is, how do we work? What do we do on an everyday basis to feel good about ourselves?
Good. So first, let us take any inputs from Dr. Seerath.
All right. Okay. then it is like from the very first time जब हम बच्चे होते हैं, when we wake up in the morning, हमारा एक routine होता है that you take a fresh bath, you brush your teeth, you tie your hair, you comb your hair, get very well, and उसके बाद आप बाहर जाओ. In this era where we are all on the laptop and everything, abhi to kafiyon ke aise hota hai phones pe, you have work from home and many things are available. We have literally forgotten, or we have just reduced those things in our daily
Yeah.
routine. Like we don't just go. I see girls not combing their hair for 3 days and they're like,
3
it's
days, yeah, bun, yeah.
fun ho gaya, and we like all these pajamas. Even if you're in home, if you're staying indoor, please make sure that अगर आप घर पे भी काम कर रहे हो, make it an atmosphere कि आपका एक corner हो जो एक ऑफिस जैसा लुक दे, that you should get into a space कि हाँ ये मेरा ऑफिस है, यहाँ पे मुझे ऐसे बैठना है. Make timetables, like आपके टाइम पूरा दिन एक डिवीजन में जाए कि आपका सुबह this time 1 hour you need to keep yourself ready. You wake up by 6, by 7 you should be ready, by 8 you should be done with your breakfast, by 9 you should be setting your tables up, आपका ऑफिस शुरू होना चाहिए. Then by 12 o'clock you take a nap, you take a break, or whatever it is. एक डिसिप्लिन जब आप अपनी लाइफ में लाते हो ना, automatically things settle down. You don't
I
need to.
still see, Dr. Sirat, sorry to interrupt you, but I still see my father, because my father is a businessman, and we are having this manufacturing unit of battery plates and inverters.
Okay.
So whole my life I have seen that every Wednesday and Friday he will shave. Till date, he was ill and he got hospitalized. In the
Okay.
hospital, he was asking for his shaving kit.
Yeah, this is what I'm telling you, na.
This is
People
the
lack it
discipline.
like anything.
Yeah. Yeah.
Now it is something that there was a time when we didn't. I would rather say that in the time, abhi
We
aisa
became more
generation ho hai, we
lazy, I
have
would
to.
say. Now generation is becoming more lazy.
Exactly, बहुत lazy. हमें अब हर चीज के लिए हमें बोलना पड़ रहा है that you have to do this,
Motivation
this, this.
चाहिए.
Exactly. This was already inculcated, and as you said कि पहले ऐसे होता था कि women would dress up, she didn't need any other extra validation and go into the party and just present themselves. अभी वैसा हुआ है कि even पहले तो मतलब yesterday I was seeing a reel of one of my statehood person here. There was a girl. She would post some pictures, and today she has posted a picture that she's being apologetic for her viral things that were not appropriate on social media actually. So eventually she said that social media से बस मैं validations ले रही थी, मैं likes के लिए, मैं इस चीज के लिए. That was like, why is it there कि you need to learn things from outside? Why do you need to validate the things from outside? This is something that has been inculcated. मतलब हम तो Indians हैं, हमारे में ये westernization, we were already disciplined since school. We don't have that.
We were always
हमारा
disciplined.
सुबह का school का होता था, we would have program to come to school, and you would be dressed up. If your uniform is not tidy, you would be outside the queue. If you are late, you will be outside the queue. These things are already been inculcated. If you don't follow it through the life, then it is your bad. It has to be there. It is your bad. It has to be
Very
there.
correct. Very correct. I would say this was the real good point which you put forward, that discipline is highly required to feel good.
And it is like in the child place, मैं ये भी बोलूँगी today, even if in West and in many states of India, ऐसा हो गया that you have indoor schools now. You don't need to have the kid doesn't require to go to school. He can self-study at home and just go school by. But that is very wrong. That school literally shows you that time management, that discipline, that
Social
uniform,
skills.
that exactly you socialize with people.
The people even don't understand that. I was just researching on the uniform thing, that why uniforms were there because of that.
To
And
remain that equality wala cheese, to make sure that you're not superior to anybody, you're not inferior to anyone. Everybody is
that
studying
was,
with.
see, that was there. But if we see in the sense of psychology, so the one part was that everybody should look equal. But the second part was that children at that age require a lot of energy to study and to have a concentration and focus. So what happens when we study about neurology thing? So there is a certain amount of neurological energy which is in store in our brains. Every night we sleep. Okay, every night. So the moment in the morning when we get up, and if we spend this energy on the useless things like what to wear, what to
Oh.
do. Okay,
It'll
so
deplete
there is
that.
like कि 100 यूनिट्स आपकी एनर्जी आपको सोने के
वहीं
बाद
से
मिलती है।
हाँ
अब आपने उसमें से 70% ये यूजलेस टास्क पे खर्च कर दी, देन
हम्म
यू विल फील आउट ऑफ फोकस, आउट ऑफ कंसंट्रेशन, एंड दैट
True.
इज रीजन कि स्कूल में यूनिफॉर्म 12th क्लास तक मस्ट था। जबकि
हम्म
पढ़ाई तो कॉलेज में भी हो रही थी, राइट?
Exactly.
But till 12th,
You
because
need
so
high
that
focus.
kids can save on to their neurological energy and they can spend that energy on the major things, and
Studies.
that's why our
Right.
parents used to say कि जो भी टाइप की चीज है वो रात में करके रख लिया करो, क्या
हाँ
पढ़ना है,
क्या
ठीक है,
रखना है टाइम
क्या
टेबल
है, अपने
बुक्स
बैग को एक दिन पहले लगा लो, टाइम टेबल एंड एवरीथिंग,
वगैरह
because they did not know what was the reason behind it, but they knew that it will bring the good results.
Exactly.
Very true.
Discipline
Okay?
is very important in life.
Yeah. So
This went really well, ma'am. I am really sorry, but we're running short of time. There are a
Sure.
lot more questions, and I think we'll have to
Sure.
schedule
Yeah,
another
please do.
webinar
Yeah.
with you guys.
Yeah.
Right. I wanted to thank everyone, all of the attendees. I have a few questions for you all, guys.
Yeah,
I would
please,
like
please.
you all
So
to
now
answer
we
them.
will take up question one after the another. Tell me.
There are way too many questions, ma'am, and we are already out of time now, right
No
now.
problem. I still have 10 minutes. I can devote it. No problem.
Okay. Okay. I got one question. How to deal with stress and anxiety on an everyday level? This is from one of my team members.
A very good solution which I will be giving you, a very short. Irrespective of anything, if you are having stress and anxiety, because I spoke on psychiatric nutrition, so with nutrition it will help you. So how it will help you? That between 10 a.m. in the morning until 1 p.m. Okay, start including buttermilk in your diet, the homemade one, not the one which you get in the Tetra Pak. No. So buttermilk 1 glass anytime between 10 a.m. to 1 p.m. in the morning.
Okay.
That is the very first thing. It will soothe your anxiety like anything. If it is not suiting you, because कई लोगों को होता है कि हमें buttermilk अच्छा नहीं लगता है, then have a bowl of fresh curd. Okay, keep it on your tongue. When you are swallowing it, first start swallowing it from your tongue, the outer part. Okay, so it will immediately calm down your nervous system immediately, and you can test it, and it will come with 100% result. Okay, just put a gallop of from the spoon on your tongue, the outer part, this, and then you just eat it. Okay, but the freshly, not the sour one, the freshly prepared. Okay, keep it in the fridge overnight. The second thing which you can do to release your anxiety, it is called 4:4 box method of meditation. Okay, very simple. It can be done in 2 minutes. You don't require any specific space for it. Inhale the air, keep it for 4 seconds, exhale for 4 seconds, stop it for 4 seconds.
Right.
So this is called 4:4 meditation. Okay. And what happens, इसके पीछे का लॉजिक भी बता देती हूँ, क्योंकि क्या होता है कि मेंबर्स को ये लगता है कि यार मेडिटेशन नो, मेडिटेशन क्या होता है, ये 4:4 वाला जो मेडिटेशन है, ये क्या करता है, इमीडिएटली इट ब्रिंग्स अ शिफ्ट. द मोमेंट यू डू इट फॉर 2 to 3 minutes, immediately it brings a shift in your sympathetic and parasympathetic nervous system. Okay, so immediately it aligns. At the moment it aligns, तो आपको ये लगेगा कि यार this is some kind of magic. ये भी अगर कोई नहीं कर सकता है, तो एक छोटी सी ग्लास बॉटल लो, बहुत स्मॉल, और ये जो फ्रेश मड होती है, फ्रेश मड, ओके, कीप इट इन दैट ग्लास बॉटल. एवरी टाइम यू आर फीलिंग एंजाइटी और आप बाहर हो कहीं पे, जस्ट ओपन दैट बॉटल एंड स्मेल इट. दैट इज द रीजन कि जब रेनी सीजन आता है और वो मड की स्मेल आती है, एवरीबडी फील्स गुड. It immediately affects your nervous system. Immediately.
That was new. I had no idea that such a remedy existed.
One more point I would add to this thing is that a person who has an anxiety attack can do reverse counting method. That is really effective.
That is
or
very
can do a hot shower bath. Two
right.
things like that is going to like relax all the muscles, and the reverse counting, what it does, that it reverses the signals automatically. If
Right.
any of the sympathetic or parasympathetic is activated,
Mm.
it will just reverse them. So this is the
Mhm.
short that would
Yeah,
be
yeah,
helpful
that
for
is
people.
good.
Thank you so much, Dr. Seerath. Thank you so much, Dr. Parekh. I have some questions survey for you all. You
Mm.
will be getting the questions on your screen. I would like you all to answer. Thank you so much for being here today with us, for sharing your valuable, insight, the knowledge that I don't think I would have gotten anywhere else. And
Thank
I think we can schedule another webinar with a much more interesting topic soon enough. Thank you so much, everyone. And in case you have any suggestions for us, like aaj hame pata chala, we can have a session, especially for the parents. Then do let us know what kind of sessions you want, what kind of webinars you want, because mental health should be taken
Prioritized.
care of. Hmm.
I would like to say that we can target corporates and big companies and middle-sized companies, because there the employees are facing a lot of mental
Yes.
issues due to the years now, and the work culture has gone real pathetic in last 10 years. So I think that also needs to be our area. Okay, as I told you, that personal and professional life can't be separated,
Right.
because the
Right.
mind is one.
Mind is one. Exactly. Yeah. That is a good suggestion right there. All right. I'll be getting a lot of more, feedback from all of the attendees. Apart from that, I'll be staying in touch with you guys. Thank you
Sure.
so much for connecting with me today. It was wonderful having this conversation. I'm looking forward to another one.
You have
So,
really coordinated well, Deepti, and because see, this thing requires a lot, because we were speaking in gaps, but you were speaking continuously, and I just bless you with all the good energies further also. Okay, and thanks to the team, and thanks to Positivity and all the technical team behind the bars. जो थे.
yes.
Okay, so everybody, I and Seerath are personally thankful for that, and
Thank you.
also
Thank
for
you, ma'am.
bringing us together over here. And it was nice meeting you, Seerath. Okay,
Thank you,
we'll stay in
ma'am.
touch.
Same here. A lot has been learned today.
Yeah, it
Thank
was
you, ma'am.
really a good sharing from your side,
Mhm.
and we'll also look forward, more in future.
Yeah,
Yes,
definitely.
definitely.
Sure.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay.
All right. Thank you so much, everyone.
Thank you.
It was a pleasure having you here with us, and I look forward to having you in the next webinar with us. Thank you.
Sure,
Sure.
sure,
Yeah.
sure.
Okay. Yeah. Bye.
Bye.
Bye-bye.